Hey, welcome back to the Rise podcast. Today we're diving into the School Memorandum 41 series of 2024, which tackles blended learning due to extreme heat. We've got Ruby here with us. Ruby, what do you think about the memorandum's approach to handling the challenges of extreme heats in schools?
Hey, thanks for having me. I think focusing on blended learning is a smart move. It shows that education needs to be flexible, especially when dealing with things like extreme heat.
Absolutely. So, how do you think blended learning can help both students and teachers in this situation?
Blended learning can really personalize the learning experience. Students can learn at their own pace, and teachers can use technology to teach in new and effective ways.
Right. That's definitely a great. Join us next time as we keep exploring education policies and their impact on schools and students. Thanks for tuning in.